Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's Friday video. I hope everyone had a great week. I have some new stuff to show you. As promised, I have the Halloween 4 plate and the new Lovely Leaves plate. I also have two new plates from UberChic, and then they came out with a few different new tools as well. So I'm gonna go over the new plates, go over the tools, and then I'm gonna show you a fun kind of folly Halloween sort of look as well today. Thank you so much for watching our video this week. Thank you also for always subscribing to our channel and liking and sharing our videos. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. Have a great week. We'll see you next Friday.